Good day kay Lexus Grinder. Update tayo for today, Sunday, December 15. So let's start first with our AXS current price. Bumaba siya na $7.80. Pero 24 hours tumaas siya ng 2.10%. And moving to our daily bounties. Standard board. So for standard board, okay na itong Atiya, 10 points, nakuha na natin ito. Classic, 35 points, win 1 battle, okay na yan. And then Origins, 35 points, win 1 battle, okay na yan. So for the whole week, meron na tayong 560 points na may estimated earning na 0.14 AXS. So far, tomorrow, Monday, nakompleto natin yung isang ticket ng Premier. So ma-access na natin itong Premier ticket. So for today, wala pa rin tayong access dito. But starting Monday, pwede na ulit tayong maglaro niyan. So moving to our staking. So nabawasan ko tong AXS ko kasi in-upgrade ko yung aking God Rep. So kailangan ko kumuha ng 4 AXS to upgrade yung kanyang Kotaro mount. So currently meron tayong AXS na 30.15818 na may estimated earning at $235.18. And meron tayong claimable rewards na 0.01863 AXS. So yun lang yung update. Thank you.